Welcome back to Land House. Today I'm at the Maples N More Nursery and I am test fitting a hydraulic ram pump for their watering needs. So they need to have somewhere around 300 gallons in a day. So here's the setup that I have. Here's the ram pump intake flowing down this waterfall to the pump down here. Now we have the pump down here on this rock just as a test. This won't be its final place. Now let's follow the delivery pipe, see where it's going. This 275 gallon tank is the final destination for the pump. And you can see the output here. We're getting somewhere around a half gallon every minute and 40 seconds. The overflow will be going into this small ditch and just going downhill. And this will be used to water various plants here in the two greenhouses. They were mostly just looking for proof of concept for the ram pump, and this definitely reassures that the pump is going to work here for their setup. Now I've discussed that it's probably not a good idea to have the ram pump on that waterfall because it will wash out in heavy rains. So the final pump location will probably be up here a bit more out of the water, and the drive pipe will run much further up this hill. Hopefully, whenever this setup is complete, he will be able to fill up this tank and water all of his plants within the day. He needs somewhere around 200 gallons a day, and this pump, as it is, supplies 436 gallons a day. So he should have a good bit of overflow and still be able to water all of his plants. If you're looking for a maple, then I have a link to this in the description below. They ship all over the US. And if you're looking for a ram pump, I have 4 different sizes for sale at landhouse.com.